Hey, so can officers unlock an unoccupied car to retrieve a firearm in plain view? That's our question. My name is Anthony Bandiero. I'm an attorney with Blue to Gold Law Enforcement Training. Let me answer it. The answer, in short, is going to be yes. The doctrine here is community caretaking. Okay, this principle comes from a U.S. Supreme Court case called Katie versus Dombrowski. Katie versus Dombrowski. In that case, actually involved the firearm as well. In that case, police officers arrested an off-duty police officer, Dombrowski, right? And they were after they arrested him, and he was a DUI, and he also crashed. They took his car to the impound lot. They processed him. They went back to the car, the impound lot, and looked for a weapon because they were under the impression that he was an off-duty Chicago police officer that they had to carry 24/7. So they go back there, they look for this firearm, and they find evidence of a murder. So that's ultimately what the case is about, is that Dombrowski murdered somebody. The Supreme Court upheld the search under the doctrine of community caretaking because having that firearm unsecured presents a danger to the community. So these are things that are not necessarily related to criminal investigations, but they are helping the community. Let's go back to the officer scenario. They see a vehicle in a park. It is locked and unoccupied. They know who's driving it or who's the owner of it, but that person's not around, right? While looking into the passenger compartment, they see a .22 rifle in plain view. They then unlock the car, right? Jimmy it, or call AAA, whoever. But the point is that through police initiation, they unlock the car. They then retrieve that weapon and that firearm, and they hold it for safekeeping. The question is that lawful? And the answer is yes, it is lawful. It is lawful. Because if another member of the public, a prohibited person, a kid, sees that gun in plain view, there could be a very large incentive to break open that window, grab that gun, and do harm with it. This is not like, it's not like it's a BB gun, right? That you're not gonna be able to do that with a BB gun. This is apparently a real firearm, and the cops also, did not do any unnecessary damage to the vehicle. So the answer is yes. That is why it falls under community caretaking. I hope I've helped to answer your questions. Please keep the questions coming. Before you leave, though, guys, do me a favor, right? Hit like if you appreciate these videos. Subscribe to the channel. That's the biggest thing you can do for us. Let's get this up to 100,000 cops looking and finding out what the law is, and finally share with their friends and comment. All right. Thank you.
When it comes to law enforcement training, we are the gold standard. Visit bluetogold.com or call 888-579-7796 to learn more about our training, books, and free webinars. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel.